these beautiful rainbow trout on the boat last night, and now I'm going to show you how to make them Mediterranean style. Welcome to the kitchen. We are making Mediterranean style trout. And so in our pan, we already have 2 carrots, 2 celery, 1 large Spanish onion, 1 lemon sliced fine. I salted and peppered our fish and sprinkled it with cumin, a half bunch of chopped cilantro, and for our finishing, we're just going to sprinkle a little bit of basil, dried basil leaves over the fish, and dill weed. If you have fresh dill, even better. I wasn't able to find any fresh dill, unfortunately. I think I better start a dill plant. And then we're gonna drizzle our olive oil over the top, and we're gonna put it into a 400-degree oven for about 30 minutes. There we go. See how beautiful that looks? It's going to taste absolutely delicious Mediterranean style trout. And before I put it in, I just want you to see I've stuffed the inside as well, the inner cavity. We filled it with all of our aromatics, and this is going to bake so beautifully. I can't wait to taste it.
Please subscribe so we can bring you more recipes. Thank you.
Just got this right out of the oven. I'm sure you can see the steam coming off. The carrots are beginning to roast beautifully on the edges, and our fish is so beautifully cooked. It smells absolutely wonderful. So if you're not sure if it's done or not, you can just gently peel back a little bit of the skin, and you can see that the flesh is cooked. So I'm serving our beautiful trout, and you can see all the juices that are at the bottom, and we want to put on some of our vegetables onto our plate. Here we have our finished beautiful Mediterranean style baked trout, and you could use mackerel or salmon, tilapia. You could do this with any other fish. Bake it at 400 for a half hour and have this beautiful, lovely meal. I'm serving with some nice asparagus. Wonderful, wonderful springtime luncheon. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out all of our videos on our YouTube channel.
For the full recipe, please check out the description below. And for more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Loves YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.